Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rezwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. Well, I know you guys were thinking where I was. I'm sorry about that. I had some very important work, so I was basically not there for a while. Anyway, so let's get to the video. So today's video is about a very famous trending coffee, which is Dalgona, which got really viral during the time of the pandemic. What is Dalgona? Basically, it's a South Korean sweet, and it has nothing to do with the coffee. Only the name has been taken to give to this very special trending coffee. You don't get the flavor, you don't get the taste. So it's a unique, different way of making it. So why don't we get started? So in this coffee, all you need is basically instant coffee, sugar, milk, and ice if you want it cold, or basically if you want it hot you can just take a lukewarm milk. So take your bowl, add about 1 or 2 sachets of coffee, or 2 teaspoons of coffee and 2 teaspoons of sugar. So let's get going. So add about 2 sachets of coffee or 2 teaspoons. Add about 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 or more depending. And basically a dash of lukewarm water. There you go. So you can either take a cake beater or whisk it with hand depending on how you prefer it, but whisking with hand will take quite longer, so I would use a cake beater to get it nice and whisk. Let's get started. Well, there you go. So you need to get this right consistency for this coffee. So it has to be nice and thick. So this is how it has to be. Now you can take your glass, add some ice. So add some ice. Now you need to add milk, basically half or 3/4. There's half of. Take your spoon and now you need to add this cream, and just put this thick foam over the milk. You might be knowing this coffee very well. It got really famous on YouTube, on the internet, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So right now it's time to close the year by spicing up this Dalgona in a unique way. So wait until the end to see what's coming up next. Okay, so now something which I'm going to spice this Dalgona is I'm going to add a Baileys. So take your Baileys bottle, and so let's garnish this with some little choco chips. Oh my god. Okay. And let's add some wafer straws to it. Wow. So guys, here, that's your Dalgona. So you can try this Dalgona in any other different ways that you can. You could use Kalua, you could use Baileys, you could use any preferred spirits that you want to try your Dalgona and say goodbye to this trending coffee of this 2020 pandemic year. So cheers guys, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.